Hello, I am Nisarg Chauhan, first year MBBS student, and we will now see the algorithm to perform subcutaneous injections. A subcutaneous injection is a shot given into the fat layer between the skin and muscle. Subcutaneous injections are used to give small amounts of certain kinds of medicines. For small amounts of delicate drugs, a subcutaneous injection can be a useful, safe, and convenient method of getting a medication into your body. Location of injection is important for subcutaneous injections. The most common injection sites are abdomen at abdomen part at or under the level of belly button about 2 inches away from the navel, at arm, at back side or upper side of the arm, and on thighs on front of the thigh. So to perform this subcutaneous injection, we need only two things: syringe and medication. To perform the subcutaneous injection, the steps are: the first step is to wash your hands or clean them up by a alcohol based sanitizer. After that, gather all the supplies such as syringe, puncture resistant container to discard the used needles and syringe, bandage, alcohol balls. Now before injecting the medication, inspect your skin to make sure there is no bruising, burns, swelling, hardness. Alternate the injection site if any of these problems are seen. Then you should clean the skin with the alcohol swab and let the alcohol dry thoroughly before doing the injection. Draw air into the syringe. Draw back the plunger to fill the syringe with air up to the dose that you will be injecting. This is done because the vial is a vacuum and you need to add an equal amount of air to regulate the pressure. This makes it easier to draw the medication into the syringe. Remove the cap from the needle and push the needle through the rubber stopper at the top of the vial. Inject all the air into the vial. Be careful to not touch the needle to keep it clean. Turn the vial and syringe upside down so the needle points upward. Then pull back on the plunger to withdraw the correct amount of medication. Tap the syringe to push any bubbles to top and gently depress the plunger to push the air bubbles out. Take a big pinch of the skin between your thumb and index finger and hold it tight. This pulls the fatty tissues away from the muscle and makes the injection easier. Inject the needle into the pinched skin at right 90-degree angle. Do this quickly, but make sure do it without applying great force. Slowly push the plunger to inject the medication. You should inject the entire amount of medication. Let go of the pinched skin and withdraw the needle. Discard the used needle in a puncture-resistant sharps container. Apply light pressure to the injection site. If there is any bleeding, it should be very minor. It is very common and nothing to be concerned about. So this is how you perform a subcutaneous injection.